So we are next to the HP Indigo 20,000 press behind us at the HP booth at Label Expo 2017. And we've got the AVT Apollo 20K installed on the 20,000 press, running on film, running on labels, self-adhesive labels and so on. It all starts with the automation of the system, which is linked to the ESCO automation engine, and get all the information automatically from the HP automation engine. So jobs can be replaced online while printing, and the AVT systems keep on inspecting without stopping, without any manual setup. So it all starts with that. Then we take a PDF and compare it to the entire repeat to make sure that we're printing the right job. From then on, the system ensures that we have top quality printed at any speed, any width. This way there's like 750 millimeter wide. The operator can be anywhere on the press. So we make sure that quality is at top level. Everything is then recorded into the system database and can go to the next station to remove bad material if needed automatically. Now, the system has very high resolution, so it can find any defect, any problem on the press, especially if there are some repeating issues on the blanket, alert the operator that he needs to replace something on the press and keep on running. At the same time, we can find the smallest barcodes and variable codes, make sure that all the variable items are printed correctly, and look after the color, monitor the colors as well, monitor the repeat length, all at the same run at the same time at any speed which is needed. And again, everything is then recorded into the database. You can see what happened during the run. You have full control over the entire process. And then again, if anything goes wrong, the operator was not here, there's an alarm on top, the system will alert automatically to tell the operator that something is wrong, there's something continuous that he needs to take care of. It goes here, see what it is clearly on screen, take care of the press, and continue running in order to make sure that there's full capacity on the press with very short runs and a lot of SKUs on the press, because this is what this press is all about. Short runs, different SKUs, variable codes, variable numbers, and so on.